The PADERNO Clad frying pans are a premium line of pans made with quality materials and craftsmanship. I'm Joris, and I'm a product designer for PADERNO. The uniform body is a simple and elegant design, without any seams and perfect for both the professional and the home chef. A quality pan should heat up quickly, hold the heat evenly, be easy to clean and durable. The exterior of our pans are constructed with induction-capable stainless steel, which means that you can use these pans on any type of stovetop. On the interior, we use a non-reactive stainless steel, ideal for cooking without affecting the taste of your food. These layers work together to create an exceptional frying pan. What I love most about these frying pans is the even heat performance. We've designed the core with an aluminum disc that has great heat conductance and results in an even heat profile across the whole pan. This makes our pans perfect for any type of cooking, from steaks, sautés to sauces. With quality craftsmanship, timeless design, and exceptional performance, the PADERNO Clad fry pans will be your new everyday pan for your cooking moments. Be sure to see our entire line of thoughtfully designed and inspired products from PADERNO.